Look at mommy. Face mommy. Ready? Turn around. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stand more back. Here we go. Very good. Thank you. Skeleton.
Oh my God.
Motivate them, babe. Turn them around so I can take a picture. The picture. We didn't take a picture.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Frankenstein. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Take it easy. Very good. Good job, Charles.